잠깐만요. Hi guys, my name is Davian. Anyway, super easy. This vlog is about how to take the best taxi service in Korea. Kakao taxi, boom. We might even see one driving past as we wait. Super convenient. You're going to need this if you're moving here, even if you're just visiting. You have to have a Korean phone number for it to operate correctly, or don't worry, you also can have a temporary Korean SIM card or number. It's needed to even call a taxi. I don't think you can do it without one. Another quick disclaimer is you can pay with cash, but I would say it is more convenient for you to connect a Korean debit card. You can automatically pay for your rides without having to actually swipe and or give cash. Quick backstory before I call this taxi and go to my destination of the day. When I first moved here, was taking taxis absolutely everywhere. I didn't know about the bus system. I didn't know how to take the bus. I know now, actually. I take the bus way more often than I take a taxi. I have another vlog on how to take the Korean bus system. It's either going to pop up here or here. So just look out for that. As for the taxis, though, they're super convenient, super easy. I use them mainly if I really needed to get to somewhere very quickly, or if I need to get home and the buses stopped running. Taxis are used in basically any situation. Today, I'm going to use it to go from this cafe that I'm at today. I'm at the Tusun Place Cafe, very common chain of cafes out in Korea. And I'm going to go to the Hyundai Premium Outlet. I am in Daejeon today, okay? I'm going to teach you how to take a taxi.
After creating a Kakao Taxi account, simply just open up the app like so. There's a lot of options and there's a lot of ads. Click out of the ads and press Taxi. Once you press Taxi, you're going to select your pickup location. Today, I'm going to select the Tucson Place. And then I'm going to type in where I want to go. You most likely will have to either type or copy and paste the location in Korean. Some places you can type it in English. It really just depends. Just for an example, I'm going to type in Hyundai Premium Outlets in English, and as you see, nothing pops up. Like I said, it really just depends where you're going. Most places you can just type in English and it'll be fine. Once you have your location, you have two options, General Request and Blue. I like to select Blue because it guarantees a taxi. Once you select it and once you see the estimated time of arrival, Kakao Taxi will search. Sometimes it takes literally less than a minute before you get a taxi, just like this. Kakao Taxi will tell you the name of the driver, the car that they're driving, and their license plate. You can also watch on the mini map in real time how close they are to picking you up. It's literally that simple.
I think I see him right down there. 기스님 안녕하세요. 잠깐만요.
Once inside the taxi, you can watch the mini map. It will show you exactly where the taxi is moving. After that, your job is basically done, so just sit back and enjoy the ride.
네, 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Whew. And just like that, my friends, that is how you ride a Kakao taxi. Thank you always for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. This is Davian, and I'm telling you bye-bye.